Okay, go.
Listen close to the story I tell. It's the rapping story of a living cell. It's a happy tune that's sort of cheery about a real tough topic called the cell theory.
All animals, plants, and protists too are made of cells with different jobs to do. They're the basic units of all organisms, and I hope by now you've got the rhythm.
It all started with one dude named Hook, who at some cork cells took a look. He used a scope and took his time, because the cell is small and thinner than a dime.
1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to learn some more?
The animal cell has many parts, and you must know each one by heart. Yeah.
Like the farmer main in the cell, the nucleus controls the cell. It gives the orders, kind of like a brain. It's protected by a nuclear membrane.
So rude. Well, the cell and the job is a couple there's no dad. That's in particles going on.
Now please don't lose your science enthusiasm. Listen to the story of the cytoplasm. Around the cell, this thick fluid does go, but in the nucleus it will not flow.
And don't forget those ribosomes. This is where the proteins come from. These protein factories are so small you'll need an electron microscope to see.
Just when you thought you were not having any fun, along comes the endoplasmic reticulum. These tube-like structures serve as a track to carry stuff to the membrane and back.
Now, have you ever seen any donuts without holes in the cell? They're called vacuoles. They're filled with stuff like H2O, and they carry fruits and cell control.
When the cell's a real big mess, lusosomes help make it less.
I'm gonna be the blackest one.
There won't be a maid you need to call because lysosomes clean it up!
Do you know the UPS delivery man? The googly body is like his van. Packages are stored and moved along his route, and the googly moves them out.
Last of all, not the least, the mitochondria is a cellular beast. I forgot.
No, my friend, you know well the unforgettable story of the living cell.
Okay, you guys did awful. Get back in line. Get against the wall right now.
Against the wall. Now, turn around, look at the wall.
Okay, go ahead.
Just when you thought you weren't having any fun, along comes the endoplasmic reticulum. These tube-like structures serve as a track to carry stuff to the membrane and back.
Now, have you ever seen any donuts without holes in the cell? They're called vacuoles. Filled with stuff like H2O and carry food so the cell can grow.
When the cell's a real big mess, lusosomes help make it less.
There won't be a maid you need to call because lysosomes clean it up!
Do you know the UPS delivery man? The googly body is like his van. Packages are stored and moved along his routes, and the googly moves them out.
Last of all, but not the least, mitochondria, mighty cellular beasts. Since they turn sugars into energy so well, we call them the powerhouse of the cell.
Now, my friend, you know it well. The unforgettable story of the living cell.
That was horrible.